What are the best free authenticator apps for iPhone? And which is the best authenticator app? Starting with Microsoft Authenticator. This app offers easy setup, app password protection, and secure iCloud backup. It supports multiple accounts and integrates seamlessly with various services including Google, Facebook, and Amazon. Next, we have Google Authenticator. It is known for its simplicity. Google Authenticator generates time-based one-time passwords and supports multiple accounts. However, it lacks password protection and backup features. Next, TOTP Authenticator. This app features a widget of quick access to 2FA codes, custom icons for account identification, and options to pin favorite accounts. It also offers multi-device support, backups, and biometric security. Next, we have 2FA's Auth. With a user-friendly interface, 2FA's Auth provides PIN and biometric lock options. It supports both QR code scanning and manual entry for adding accounts. Lastly, we have LastPass Authenticator. It is developed by the team behind the popular password manager. This app allows adding multiple 2FA keys and offers backup to your LastPass accounts. Each of these apps has unique features catering to different user preferences. For instance, Microsoft Authenticator is praised for its user-friendly interface and integration with various services, while TOTP Authenticator offers customization options like custom icons and widgets. Consider your specific needs, such as the importance of backup capabilities, biometric security, or integration with other services when choosing the best authenticator app for your iOS device. So this was about best free authenticator apps for iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.